All right, in this video, we are going to talk about inheritance relationships. So we'll talk about two inheritance relationships, generalization and realization. All right, so generalization is a relationship, right? And generalization is shown using a solid line with a closed, unfilled arrowhead. Okay, and so this is for inheritance, right? That we talked about at the beginning of the semester. So as an example, let's say if class A is a child of class B, right? Then you would have an arrow, a solid arrow with an open arrowhead going to class B. Okay. All right. And in code, it would look like this. Public class A extends B for us, right? Since we're taking Java, that's what it would look like. And so that's how you would represent it in your class diagram. So let's see if we can do that. So multiplicity off, and then change set connector type to inheritance um, on Visio. Okay, so that's how you would indicate that. So that one is pretty straightforward. Have a child class, right? Then that's how you represent that relationship in a UML class diagram. Right, and next up is realization, also pretty straightforward. Realization is shown using a dashed line with a closed, unfilled arrowhead like this. And that's when you have a class that implements an interface. So if class A implements the interface B, that's how that relationship is shown. You can see you have the interface in angle brackets here indicating that B is an interface, and then A implements that interface. In code, that's how it would look. So again, pretty straightforward. Public class A implements B, right? So A implements the interface B. And in Visio, if you right click, it is realization on here, and just like that. All right, so those two are pretty easy to recognize and pretty easy to deal with compared to the use relationships. All right, and that is it on this one. In the next video, then we will run through creating a UML diagram with some cases, or with one particular case.